Hi there. Need to monitor memory usage, CPU, and performance while debugging? Let's enable the Diagnostic Tools window right inside Visual Studio. Go to the Tools menu and click Options. From the left, select Debugging. On the right, scroll down. Choose Enable Diagnostic Tools while debugging. Click OK to close. To display the diagnostic panel, go to the Debug menu. In Windows, select Show Diagnostic Tools. The panel appears on the right. Start debugging your application to view the diagnostic data. It shows memory, CPU, and other performance metrics related to your application. Subscribe for more videos like this.